Like, these are hands down my favorite chicken tenders I've ever made. Sticky honey sriracha chicken tenders. That's next level right here. I'm freaking sweating. That's sweet heat, baby.
One of my favorite protein sources to meal prep are chicken tenders, and these sticky honey sriracha chicken tenders are incredible, and they're super macro friendly. Let's get into it. So first, we're gonna make our sticky honey sriracha sauce. So you're just gonna add all your ingredients into your bowl, and you're just gonna mix till smooth. Now we're gonna make our chicken tenders. You're gonna take 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. You're gonna cut it into chicken tenders. It'll be about 2 ounces per tender. Then you're gonna have 3 stations: your flour cornstarch station, then your egg white station, and then your panko station. You're gonna coat your chicken tenders. Make sure you use the left hand, right hand technique. Then once coated, add to your air fryer. Spray with non-stick cooking spray. You're gonna air fry these on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Flip at about the 6-minute mark. You're gonna toss in that sticky honey sriracha sauce, add some black sesame seeds and some green onion, and then it's time to enjoy, my friends.
Let's make some air fried cinnamon sugar bites using some canned biscuit dough. Use whatever canned biscuit dough you have on hand and cut the biscuits into 4 sections. Pop those pieces of biscuit into an air fryer. I preheated mine for 2 minutes at 350 degrees and then cooked them for 4.5 minutes. Transfer the cooked biscuits into a bowl and you can prep your cinnamon sugar mixture. I did about 1/2 cup of sugar and a bunch of cinnamon. I then poured melted butter over the cooked biscuits and mixed it well. Add those biscuits very gracefully like I did into your Ziploc bag and shake, shake, shake it up and get them all evenly coated in the cinnamon sugar. Dig in immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.